nag-beat ng stop.
And,
Nung nakita ko ulit siya, iba pa rin pala yung feeling mo. Na kahit maraming tao sa lugar na yun, makikilala ko agad siya eh. Bakit nga naman hindi?
Two old friends
Siya yun eh.
meet again.
Siya yung nagustuhan ko.
Wearing all the faces.
Siya yung minahal ko.
Talk about the places
At kung noon,
they've been.
binigay ko lahat.
Two
Siguro ngayon,
old sweethearts
kaya ko rin
without
ibigay pa lahat.
somewhere
At ibigay pa
along the coast.
yung narami. Papayagan ni Paghahan.
Someday they meet
Papayagan niya.
again and have a need for more than
Baka sakali.
reminiscence. Maybe
Pwede ulit
this
kita.
time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's sparking his love and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end.
Listening to our favorite song. I have told you what I said. Now I know I have never known Jesus since she looks perfect.
You've been hiding in plain sight and appeared all alone.
This is the normal kulat. This is the abnormal kulat.
Meanwhile,
dami mong sinisid sa phone mo.
Yun na to, guys.
Uy! Patay ka talaga.
Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita. Saan man tayo mapunta? Yung tipong tayo wala lang. O kaya biglang may breakfast TV just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala.
Di ko alam saan, kailan, paano ba nag-umpisa ang lahat.
Yeah.
Di na mapakali, nagkakamali, nabubulol na uutal. Kailan ba napansin?
Baby, write little love notes on a post-it and I post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses on your front yard. Oh, what? Yeah. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita. Saan man tayo mapunta? Yung tipong tayo wala lang. O kaya biglang may breakfast TV just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala lang.
Hulaan mo sino.
Eh?